Hello guys, welcome back. Let's change this old horn with new double horn with the help of a relay. I have watched many videos before starting this project. In most of the videos, the extra wiring from the battery is used for setting up. I don't know how safe is that. So, I am doing the setup without any extra wiring to the battery. Let's check what is inside the box. The box comes with the dual horn and the wiring harness. With the dual horn, I have also ordered a 12 watt 20 amps relay, but I received a 12 watt 30 amp relay. Anyhow, I am using this. According to experts, using the relay will protect the battery from overdraining. But in my old bike, I have fitted the dual horn without any relay and the battery was perfectly okay. Anyhow, if you have any experience of battery draining issue, you can comment. Also, if any of you know the real use of relay, you can share your knowledge in the comment box. I know many of us are not expert in reading wiring diagram like this, so I have made it very simple. These two wires were connected in the old horn, so let's use this for our new wiring. Let's start the wiring by identifying the positive and negative. After that, carefully remove the skin of both the wires like this. You can refer this wiring diagram for a better idea of what I am doing. I have identified the old horn positive and connected it with a small wire and secured it with an insulation tape. Also, I have crimped the terminal for easy connection. If you are not having a crimping tool, you can do the process without crimping. After the process, the wiring look like this. These two wires must be connected to the 86 and 30 of the relay. For the next step, follow this wiring diagram. The negative wire from the old horn wiring must be connected to the 85 and 2 marked terminal of the horn. Now, let's follow the third and final diagram to complete the wiring. For wiring, take two wires and join one end to form a V shape. I am using the same wire that came with the horn. Only thing I have done extra is crimped an extra terminal at one end. Now, let's complete the wiring. After wiring, check whether our connection is working. After that, I have removed all the wires so that I can neatly arrange the wiring. Before removing the wiring, identify the terminal with permanent marker so that you will not get confused while reconnecting. I have fitted the relay on the back of the horn. You can fit the relay on the available space of your bike. After fitting the relay, reconnect all the wires. You can follow this three simple diagram for wiring. Hope the explanation is easy for you to follow. All the links to the product are given in the description below. You can go and check there. If the video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Your suggestions are always welcome. Thanks for watching.